guys, it's Linda. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something kind of fun. So you guys might watch Alissa Ashley, and she does these Mystery Makeup Monday videos where she spins a wheel and maybe it'll pick a color or a technique, things like that. You might have seen XSparkage's videos where she does makeup roulette, or maybe you've seen the Sugar Pill Showdown where they write all their, colors on popsicle sticks and they pick them randomly and they have to use those colors. So I'm kind of taking my own little spin on that. What I did was pick one card from each of these sections, and that's how I did my makeup today. And I'm really pumped that it took me kind of out of my comfort zone a little bit, and this was just a lot of fun in general. As a disclaimer, I wrote every makeup product I had on these cards. So that means that there's a lot of stuff on here from before I started my cruelty-free journey in January of this year. So a lot of these products might not be cruelty-free. None of these have been purchased this year. These are all things I just had in my collection and did not want to just throw away. Before we get into how I did this look, please give this video a thumbs up if you like random makeup challenges that I have no idea what I'm going to be doing. Subscribe if you haven't already, and go ahead and smash that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Also, make sure that you are actually subscribed down below. I, again, am getting this rash of people telling me that somehow YouTube has unsubscribed them. Okay, please forgive if you can hear the air conditioning running. I usually do shut it off when I'm filming, but my husband has been outside doing yard work all day, like literally all day, and I don't want to be like, oh, sorry, can't have air conditioning, peace, bye. So here's what I've done. I've taken all of my makeup products, and I mean all of them, and I've written them down on cards, and I've separated them. The lipstick pile is pretty damn huge, and what I'm gonna do is I'm going to pick one from each one of these piles. I'm just gonna shuffle them and pick. Then I will grab all the makeup and I will do a look, and God, we'll see how this turns out. Now, there are some products that I don't have cards for because I don't have a lot of, different products. Like for example, I don't have a whole lot of liquid eyeliner. So I'm just going to be using my one liquid liner that I have. I already put on my brows because I only have like one brow product that I like. Same thing with contour, so I'm just gonna do as much as I can. I'm shuffling my foundation cards as much as possible, and I'm going to pick ColourPop No Filter Foundation. I'm excited because, as you guys probably know, this is one of my favorite foundations right now, so yay! Let's move on to the eyes. So what I'm gonna do is I have a pile of single eyeshadows. So these are ones that aren't in palettes. These are just kind of by themselves. I have eye palettes and I have glitter. So we're gonna pick one from each of these. Okay, my single eyeshadow is going to be Kat Von D Iggy. Shuffling my palettes. Okay, my eye palette is gonna be this one, MAC Leopard. What that means is that I have this palette, and it was a Z palette, a leopard print, but it has all MAC shadows in it, so I'm going to be using that. My glitter stack is huge. That's what she said. I kind of like that I'll be able to use these cards multiple times, so if I like the idea of this, I can do this again. Comment down below, let me know if you guys would like to see this more than once. My glitter is going to be LA Splash Purple. I think it's technically called Purple Rain, but there's no sticker on it, so I'm not positive. Moving on to blush. Let's do this one. The Bomb Hot Mama. Highlighter will be, last but certainly not least, is my lipstick pile. This might as well just be a deck of index cards on its own. This is gonna take a minute. Okay, I'm just going right in the middle here. So now that I have all of my selections, I'm going to get all of that and I'll be right back. Okay, I have my hair back. We're gonna start with the ColourPop No Filter Foundation, and I am in the color Light 60. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my usual concealer duo, which is the Urban Decay Naked Skin and the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer, and I'm just gonna apply that like I'd normally apply concealer. I mean, I don't know. I'm actually gonna go ahead and apply my bronzer and contour off screen and be right back. I don't look as dead now. Okay, time to dip into some eyeshadows, so I'm going to zoom you guys in. So this is the palette I was talking about. Like I said, it's a Z palette, and it just has a variety of colors. I think like 98% of these are MAC, and if you missed my note before, yes, I know that MAC is not a cruelty-free brand. Before I went cruelty-free in January of this year, I did buy products like MAC, and everything like that, that I'm not planning on just throwing away. I want to use them up, and then I just won't buy them again. But for now, this is kind of a very weird little mix of MAC stuff. And then for my single shadow, I have the Kat Von D Metal Crush in Iggy. This is a really, really gorgeous color. As you can see, it's just this metallic green with it's just stunning. So those aren't throwing me off. What's throwing me off is the fact that I have to incorporate the purple glitter in here somehow. So I think I'm gonna do a super blown out kind of green smoky eye and try purple under the eye. Let's see. The first color I'm going to go in with is Juxt by MAC, and I'm going to be using a blending brush to buff that all into my crease. Next, I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush and take MAC Wondergrass and put that a little more dedicated in my crease. So I'm pretty sure this MAC color came out with a collection that was called C-Shock, and it was the first full collection I ever bought of any makeup. There were just tons of bright eyeshadows, and it was so beautiful at the time. I'm gonna take a smaller brush and dip into Iggy, and then I'm going to wet the brush after to make this super metallic and apply it all over the lid. Oh, so pretty. Before I do my outer corner, I'm gonna put some chrome yellow in the inner corner and see if that works. Let's hope this doesn't ruin everything. And right on the outer corner, I'm going in with MAC's Humid. Kind of like this so far. I'm gonna clean up just using what's already on my beauty blender just to kind of clean up these edges a little bit and just make it a little more neat. I'm actually going back in with more Humid. I want to blow this out a little bit more. That's harsh. I'm gonna go in on the brow bone with Crystal Avalanche, which is a very shimmery white, so let's hope this doesn't screw it up. If I'm gonna make the lower lash line purple, I do wanna go in with a base, so I am going to lay down some of Urban Decay's Ransom 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. Now I'm just going in and I'm lining my upper and lower waterline with black pencil. Before we get to the glitter, I'm gonna go ahead and do some black liquid liner on the upper lid in a wing, of course. I think I'm gonna make it kind of dramatic today. I'm nervous about the glitter part, you guys. I don't usually put glitter under my eyes, but we're going in with this beautiful purple glitter by LA Splash. First, I'm going down with some liquid sugar by Eye Candy Cosmetics, and I'm just gonna place that under my lashes so that the glitter has something to stick to. Say a prayer, cross your fingers, do a ritual, whatever you think for me. Here we go. That's kind of cute, right? I feel like that gives it a nice little something, you know what I mean? Like, yeah, the glitter isn't everywhere, but glitter doesn't always have to be everywhere. Did I just say that out loud? Before my lashes go on, I am going to apply a quick coat of mascara. This is the Unlashed Wander Beauty that I got in my last month's BoxyCharm. It doesn't suck. I'm gonna pop on the House of Lashes Boudoir lashes, and yes, I've used these multiple times and they could probably be cleaned a little bit more, but they're fine, they're fine. For blush, we have the Balm's Hot Mama. This is actually a pretty similar dupe to NARS Orgasm, but this is cruelty-free. We went a little crazy on blush today, but screw it. How are we almost done already? For highlighter is my poor butchered Becca Moonstone. And then for lips, Kat Von D Hawkwind. Setting spray. And this is the completed look. I hope you guys like it. I actually really like it. This pushed me so far out of my comfort zone because normally if I were to look at that palette, I would go straight for the bronzes, straight for the browns, but kind of picking that single shadow that was that bright green really made me, you know, think about what I was doing with my life. I really love this. I love the whole look. I am so pumped about this. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and let me know if you think I should do another one of these in the future, because I really like doing this. I really like how it made me grab stuff that I also haven't grabbed in probably years. I might not have touched that MAC palette in years. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Those are all GlitterFallout. You are super rock stars. I love you so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.